We have just defined short-term and long-term interest rate. Now, while money demand and supply affects the short-term interest rate, the long-term interest rates are driven by economic fundamentals. What this means is that the short-term interest rates may fluctuate according to the demand and supply, but they will always tend toward a long-term interest rate in the long run. So like in this graph, in the short run, money demand and supply determines interest rates, and we produce a fluctuating interest rate like this. However, it always tends towards and is driven fundamentally by the long-term interest rate, which is determined by economic fundamentals. So in the short run, let's say money demand soared and there's an increase in GDP. In other words, you earn more money, hence you want to hold on to more money. Then interest rates may increase. However, in the long run, you'll always go back to the lower interest rates because of the underlying factors, risk, and return to capital. This has important implications for the interpretation of monetary policy, which we'll learn in a few lectures.